Enterprise AI teams often start with, should we fine-tune the model? That is not the first question. Ask what information, and what capability, actually belongs inside the model. Separate 3 responsibilities. Weights influence learned behavior. Retrieval supplies external knowledge. Tools connect the model to operational reality. Use weights for behavior, retrieval for knowledge, tools for reality. LoRA should primarily change how the model behaves, not become your database. LoRA, low-rank adaptation, is parameter-efficient fine-tuning. Standard LoRA freezes pre-trained weights W, and trains small matrices A and B. The effective layer is W plus delta W, and delta W is B times A. Think of Y equals W plus BA times X. That is the effective transform. Implementations may not merge BA into W at inference. Here is the most important point. LoRA does not inherently know behavior from facts. It learns whichever statistical patterns the training examples and objective reward. So LoRA design starts with dataset design. What examples are you putting in the training set? A general model might answer a complaint with long prose. Your workflow may need: identify the issue, extract evidence, classify, choose the next action, and return strict structured output. Construct training examples that demonstrate that behavior, not a dump of customer facts. Training compares the prediction with the desired output, computes loss, and updates only A and B. W stays frozen. Gradients must not be drawn into the base weights. At inference, the model is not searching those training examples. It generates from learned parameters. You are not primarily teaching. Customer 827's transaction is $1,493. You are teaching. When you see evidence like X, analyze it with Y, and produce Z1 as a fact. The other is a reusable transformation. Fact is not behavior. Good LoRA targets: classification, evidence extraction, schemas, terminology, workflow, stable reasoning, poor substitutes for a database, prices, balances, inventory, live claim status, changing policies. LoRA can learn facts. Nothing prevents it. The recommendation is architectural, not a fundamental limit. Train in January that product A is $79 and policy 314 allows 30-day returns. In April the product is $89 and returns are 14 days. Reality changed. The adapter did not. Updating a database does not update patterns already learned in the adapter. Keep changing knowledge outside the model. Retrieval finds the current document and puts evidence in context. The adapter applies learned behavior to current information. Change the document. The next retrieval can use it. No LoRA retrain just to update that fact. Retrieval is about evidence. It does not guarantee correctness. Some information is live operational state, order status, payment success, units available, claim status, query the system of record. Tools return whatever that system says. They are not inherently truthful. The pieces fit. 1 system, 3 jobs. The base model plus LoRA answers. How should I behave? Retrieval answers. What does the evidence say? That is knowledge. Tools answer. What is true right now? That is operational reality. Complementary mechanisms, not competing ones. Can customer 827 return order 123? LoRA knows how to decompose the task and what structure to return. Retrieval provides the current return policy. A tool retrieves actual order state. The answer uses all 3. It did not need to memorize the latest policy. Dataset design is LoRA design. Do not fill the set with volatile state. Fill it with reusable behavior. Identify evidence. Classify. Decide whether to retrieve or call a tool. Apply the workflow. Emit the schema. 3 questions. Stable behavior or transformation? Consider LoRA knowledge that changes or needs evidence. Use retrieval. Live operational state. Use tools. Before asking how to fine-tune, ask what belongs in the parameters. Use weights for behavior. Use retrieval for knowledge. Use tools for reality. LoRA learns whatever patterns your data and objective reward. Teach stable reusable behavior. Retrieve changing knowledge. Query systems of record for operational reality. LoRA should primarily adapt how the model behaves, not become another database.